Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, let's go ahead and teach you how you can remove the search bar or search icon from your Shopify Refresh theme. And by the time you're done with this video, you'll be able to get a result just like this. And you also will be able to have no search bar or search icon. And you can also add it back later from your Refresh theme. Now, let's go straight to the video tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store and you want to come to themes, which is at your back end. And right here, you can see I have my Refresh theme down here. Okay. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on customize. The moment you hit on customize, you want to come here to this section here and you want to come to your header section, and under the header section, you want to click on header. Just click on it. Okay, the header. And as you can see, there is no search bar icon for you to toggle here whereby it's going to remove it. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the custom CSS. Okay. And once you scroll down, you want to go ahead and paste something here, which I'm going to give to you. And this is what you're going to paste. This one that says to remove using CS. And you want to go ahead and paste it. All right. And go ahead, you paste, and now it's gonna remove. Okay, you can see that the search icon is gone. All right, the search icon is gone. If it's gone, type it's gone in the comment section. All right, so this is exactly how you can use the custom CSS to remove this. But however, let's say you're not cool with this, you still want another method that might not be custom CSS because of one reason or the other. Now let's go straight to teach you how you can do it another way. But before I go, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and join my family to 10,000 subscribers. That's my aim. So please join me on this journey by subscribing, and God bless you. It wouldn't cost you anything. Please just subscribe. Thank you very much. And now let's go straight to teaching you how to go about that. So the moment if you're cool with this, you can hit on save and you're good to go, right? That's about that. But let's use another method, and that is me going back here and I come here to the refresh draft and I click on the straight dotted line and I click on edit code. Okay, click on edit code. And the moment you click on edit code, it's going to load up your editor, okay, which is this, your backend. And don't worry, it's still copy paste, so don't fridge it, all right? And what I want to do is, I want to come back here to this section here and come to say to hide it using base, okay? So I'm just going to copy this. Then I come back here and I come to this Explorer. I want to come to refresh, okay, which is the theme. I want to click on assets and want to click on base.css. This one that says base.css. And the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down, baby. You want to go down, baby. All right. So go down. And once you go down, just paste, okay, at the last part, okay, just, you can see there is even a gap, just paste it anywhere at the last part, okay, and, but please be careful, okay, click on save, all right, so the moment you click on save, we go back, and right there you see that the search icon is gone, all right, it's gone again, all right, so type it's gone in the comment section. So this is exactly how you can do this using these two methods, okay, but as I promised you guys, I'm going to give you 3 methods, so let me give you the third method that you can use, and I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to click on save, and now it should be back. You see it's back. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come here. All right. Okay, before I even come here, let me put you through. So I want to use the custom liquid method, okay? So what I want to do is I want to, let me first click on hard block, but it's not right now. So let me go ahead and click on hard section. And because sometimes some teams do have you can add custom liquid as a block. So that's why I'm checking it. So now let's add custom liquid as a section. So far it's not available here. So I want to click on hard section. I want to use custom liquid. Okay, so this for people, if you want to use this, it's fine. And if you don't want it, it's okay. Also, we have 2 other methods. So we just want to use this third code that says to remove using CL, okay? And we want to paste that. And now you can see that the code is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can do this without you installing any application. You can see now that the search icon is gone. All right, so type it's gone in the comments section. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, please just subscribe to the channel. It helps me and motivate me to keep creating video tutorials like this for you guys. Please subscribe, and if you don't want to subscribe, it's fine. At least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who will be needing something just like this. Thank you very much for your time. And if you need any other tutorial regarding how you can remove the cart icon and some other icon, check out my channel. Maybe I might link to the video tutorial in the video description, so you can check it out, and possibly it helps you to also make the best decision out there. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. And please take care of your health. Health is wealth, and as you're making money and striving to make money, you need to have a good health so that when the money comes, you can spend it by being happy. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day. Bye.